Hello, Lakota families, and welcome to the Lakai Cafe version of our virtual open house. I would like to give you a lot of information right now, so I'm going to direct you to the school's website where you can find most of the information for the cafeteria. If you hover over your school, and you will see the drop down and the menu selection. There is the menu, there is the free and reduced application, and there is the access to our online school payment for lunches called Pay School Central. So what I would like to refer you to first is the menu. If you see the menu, in there on the side, it says meal information. Here I have highlighted most of the changes that are going to take place this year in the cafeteria. So you will see on there that number one, I should have probably made it the font a little bit bigger. Get your glasses ready. So students are not permitted to touch anything in the line. This is direction from our Sandusky County Health Department Environmental Director. So we will be putting the silverware and the condiments, everything on the students' trays. So we will try our best to be as quick as possible and to make sure that the kids are getting everything that they want. That is, however, making our choices a little bit less than what they are used to. Our students are used to lots of choices, and we're going to have to be very simple this year. So you will also notice in the menu that is a P through 12 menu. Of course, each grade level will get different portion sizes according to their age. So the bigger kids will be getting bigger portions of those meals. Also, you will see on there that there is no money accepted in the lunch line. Elementary will continue to give their lunch money to the teachers. If you could please put it in an envelope or a baggie clearly marked with the student's name. For middle school and high school, they will be putting their lunch money also in a baggie or an envelope. And we have installed mailboxes in the world areas where we will come and collect the lunch money. Just to let you know as well, for security, there are 2 cameras that will pick up on those mailboxes. So the money will be kept safe until we come and pick it up. Also, you will notice on there that we will not be offering any a la carte items. So all of the juice and water and chips and ice cream will not be available as of right now. When some restrictions get lifted for us, then we will be able to offer those items. But as of right now, and we will not be making our fun salads either. And we will still offer the yogurt and cheese item in place of the entree. So, and the microwave will not be available in the auditoria. So you will get all that information, and you can get in on the school's website to print off your menu so that you can have that, because we won't be printing those off for open house either. And also the rest of the months, October, November. So we will have those online for you to print off. A little information about the Pay School Central. There is a couple tips. There is a charge for your credit card of $1.65. Anything $49.99 and under is the $1.65. Anything over $49.99 is a 3.9% charge. So one thing that they do if it is a directly out of your savings or checking account with your routing number, that is a $1.75 fee, and that is for however much you put in. So you can put in as much as you want if you are using that option. Another change that we have this year is with the Parent Square is our notification system. So we will be alerting negative balances instead of through School Messenger, will now be through Parent Square. So you will be getting those messages from them. And then one more thing about our free and reduced application, that is also online. If you need any help with that, I can help you get through that, of course, with the 9-digit ID numbers, or if you need help even just getting through the process. There are also, just to let you know too, that if your child was free or reduced last year, that they will still be free and reduced for the first 30 days of school. I know I've thrown a lot of information at you. If also too, if we were to go to a hybrid situation, we would be offering 3 days worth of pickup meals to the students, um, and that information would be put out on Parent Square as well if that were to happen. So I know I've thrown a lot at you, but if you have any questions, I'm here. Through email is the best way to get a hold of me. My direct line is 419-986-6628 to get into the kitchen. And we look forward to hopefully a great year. Thank you.